My hat! It's flying away!
Stop, honey!
I'm going to get it!
Honey, wait! It's not safe! No, no, no!
Wait, where is Honey? She ran after it!
We have to find her.
The trail is fading. Look for footprints. I don't know this path. I am lost. Mom said to stay put. I will stay here. Where is Honey?
She was right behind us.
I don't see her.
How long is she missing? About 20 minutes.
Please help us.
This place is beautiful.
I want to explore. We will slowly. We stay on the blue trail.
Nobody walks alone.
I understand, Mom. I promise to stay close. I will watch her too. Good, both of you. This looks like a fairy tale. Maybe we see animals.
Keep your eyes open.
Look at those fish. They are so bright. Don't lean too far. That is not safe. Sorry, Mom. Stay behind the rail. This is the best trip.
I agree with you.
We are doing great. The waterfall is still ahead. I can't wait. We will get there.
A storm may come today. Thanks for the warning.
The sky looks fine.
We have plenty of time.
I hope you are right. Let's keep moving. These flowers are pretty. Stay where we see you. I am right here. Honey, stay closer.
Listen to your mother.
Okay, I will.
What a great view.
We are on top of the world. This is amazing.
The weather is changing.
We should hurry now. Let's go to the waterfall. One quick picture.
Say cheese.
Cheese! My hat! It's flying away!
Stop, honey!
I'm going to get it!
Honey, wait! It's not safe! No, no, no!
Wait, where is Honey? She ran after it. Where is Honey?
She was right behind us.
I don't see her.
Honey, answer us!
Honey, can you hear me? Please answer, Honey.
Honey, answer us!
Honey, can you hear me? I don't know this path. I am lost.
We have to find her.
The trail is fading. Look for footprints. Look, footprints here. Are they Honey's?
They might be.
We are getting closer. I hope so.
Keep following them. That is not Honey.
Wrong trail. We lost the tracks. There is a ranger.
Thank goodness.
Let's ask for help.
Everything okay here?
We need help.
We're lost.
Can you help us?
How long is she missing? About 20 minutes.
Please help us.
Search team, come in. Lost child, pink coat. Thank you very much.
Mom said to stay put. I will stay here. I wish Jack was here. I am so scared. Call her name every minute.
Honey, where are you?
Honey, it's us!
Honey, where are you?
Honey, it's us! I heard a voice.
Which direction?
From over there. Are you looking for someone?
No, sorry.
Wrong person again. I thought it was her.
It was a good try.
We keep going. At least I'm on a trail. That is good. Ranger station. That sounds safe. Report of a lost child wearing a pink raincoat. Child in pink raincoat? That must be Honey. I'm heading out to search now.
They found her?
Please let it be her. I hope so. That's not Honey. Another wrong clue.
Keep searching. We won't stop.
She is out there. Let's go.